Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Harry Styles painted jacket. I've seen the trend of painting jackets going around social media. I've seen it trending on Pinterest, TikTok, even right here on YouTube. So I haven't seen any that are specifically Harry Styles. I am a huge Harry Styles fan. My little sister is an even bigger fan. So in honor of us going to his concert in July, I figured I'd make us Harry Styles painted denim jacket. This is going to be a super easy project, and I can see why it's taken off across multiple social media platforms. I saw right here on YouTube one of the biggest creators, Jenna Marbles, actually painted one. She painted a cute little seahorse on the back. It was really a funny video. I'll link that below so you can go and check it out. She was honestly my inspiration for this. But it's a super easy project. I'm going to be needing a denim jacket. I got this from a thrift store. Super easy. It was cheap, less than $10. You're also going to be needing some fabric paints. I'll insert a picture right up here. And you're also going to need paint brushes, which I'll insert right here. So stick around and I'll show you how to make a Harry Styles painted jacket.
Children I played with when I was a child. Dream of me, I wonder, and for them, am I too a child?
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Hey guys, so as you just saw, it's super fun, easy, and creative to paint your own jacket. It's even more fun if you're a huge Harry Styles fan to paint a Harry Styles inspired jacket. So here's the finished product. It didn't take too long to paint it, and I had fun doing it the whole time. If anything, the drying time took the longest. So here's the finished product. I took inspiration from the Sunflower song on his brand new album. I think it was a lot of fun to make, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you try this out and post pictures of your finished products below. Thank you guys!